Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install Node.js plus OpenAI Codex CLI. Open web browser. I am using Microsoft Edge. You can use your favorite browser. Go to Google. Go to Google search. Type here. Download Node.js. Press enter. Click on first link. Download Node.js. Now the Node.js official website is open. Click on Node.js version list. Current version is 25.9.0. Let's click on it. Choose your OS. I am using Windows, so I am okay with that. Click on Windows Installer.msi version. It is 31.9 megabits installer. Now the downloading is completed. Simply just right-click on it. Click Open. Close web browser. Welcome to the Node.js setup wizard. Click Next. Check on I accept the terms in the license agreement. Click Next. Node.js install the following location. Click Next. Custom setup. Click Next. Automatically install the necessary tools. Note that this will also install Chocolatey. The script will pop up in a new Windows after the installation completes. In this video demonstration, I will not check this option. Click Next. Click Install. Click Yes to install Node.js. Node.js has been successfully installed. Click Finish. After installation, now let's us verify the Node.js version. Go to Windows Search. Type cmd. Click Command Prompt. Type Node -version. Press Enter. Now you can see the Node version 25.9.0. Now check the npm version. Type npm -v. Press Enter. npm version is 11.12.1. Now install Codex. Type here npm space install space -g space at OpenAI /codex. Press Enter. Now the Codex is installed here. Added to packages. So that means my Codex installation is done successfully. Now log in Codex. Type here Codex. Login. Press Enter. Now the browser is open. Here you can see different options of login, so I am going to just select Continue with Google. Now here you can see signed into Codex, so we have successfully signed into Codex. Click on Continue. Now let's go to the command prompt. Type Codex. Press Enter. Do you trust the content on this directory? Yes, continue. Press Enter. Set up default sandbox. Press Enter. Click on Yes. Setting up sandbox. Sandbox is ready. Now here it's showing OpenAI Codex and the model which it is using, so it is using GPT 5.4. Now type here. Write a code Hello World in Python language. Press Enter. Now as you can see, Hello World Python code is showing. So guys, this way you can set up your codecs using command prompt. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.